In the heart of the woods found me a pine, carved it up with a blade so fine. Sanded down smooth, put my elbow grease, making a drum that feels like peace. I'm crafting my beat from the roots of this land. Wood in my hands, it's a one-man band. With each strike, my spirit hums, living life, making my own drums. On my porch with the sun sinking low, rhythms of the heart, they start to show. Neighbors smile, they tap their feet, wooden drum sounds oh so sweet. I'm crafting my beat from the roots of this land. Wood in my hands, it's a one-man band. With each strike, my spirit hums, living life, making my own drums. I'm crafting my beat from the roots of this land. Wood in my hands, it's a one-man band. With each strike, my spirit hums, living life, making my own drums. On my porch with the sun sinking low, rhythms of the heart, they start to show. Neighbors smile, they tap their feet, wooden drum sounds oh so sweet. On my porch with the sun sinking low, rhythms of the heart, they start to show. Neighbors smile, they tap their feet, wooden drum sounds oh so sweet. I'm crafting my beat from the roots of this land. Wood in my hands, it's a one-man band. With each strike, my spirit hums, living life, making my own drums. The wind joins in nature's own mark, echoes of joy from my backyard park. Every note tells a story anew, voice of wood ringing true. Morning breeze through the pine tree sways, creating rhythms that lighten my days. Got my drum, got my tune, dance along under the harvest moon. Morning breeze through the pine tree sways, creating rhythms that lighten my days. Got my drum, got my tune, dance along under the harvest moon. Moon drums.
Got a tree from the backyard, sawing off the trunk so hard, drilling holes for perfect sound, dreaming of might be profound. Chasing rhythms in my shed, crafting drum with lines of red. Hammer nails, my sweat does flow, rhythm in my heart will grow. Wooden beats that fill the sky, DIY, my drums will fly. Every thump a story told, a melody from wood so bold. Sawdust flying everywhere, in my hands a beat to share. Feel the pulsing tree and song, echoes rising pure and strong. Patterns carved in timber bright, crafting tunes from day to night. Nature's voice within the grain, music made from sun and rain. Wooden beats that fill the sky, DIY, my drums will fly. Every thump a story told, a melody from wood so bold.
screams out of wood. Gonna hammer this tune with a rhythm so tight. My hands might be messy, but my heart feels light. Sanding down imperfection smooth and clean. In this little workshop, I'm the music machine. I'll make beats that echo with every grain, turning simple timber into sonic rain. Wooden beats, my beat making treasure. Grooving in my garage gives me pure pleasure. Every tap on wood brings a smile to my face. Creating music and finding my place. Old tools hold stories deep in the stains. Rusty nails sing lively sweet refrains. Sparks of joy fly with every chisel hit, crafting sound waves that perfectly fit. I carve my path to the stars, from broken fragments to groovy bars. These humble planks turn into vibes so grand, for mere plugs and neighbors might not understand. Wooden beats, my beat making treasure. Grooving in my garage gives me pure pleasure. Every tap on wood brings a smile to my face. Creating music and finding my place. Wooden beats, my beat making treasure. Grooving in my garage gives me pure pleasure. Every tap on wood brings a smile to my